Hello all, today in this video I'm going to provide details regarding and demo video for heart disease classification within machine learning code, and also going to make an line representation, that is XAI code. So initially we are going to import the libraries which we are use which are in use, like OS warnings, then NumPy and pandas, and then we are calling our dataset, and then we are going to display the values in the data set. Here you can see our data set is having only numerical values, and then we are getting the info of the data set, whether it is having numerical or any other. So in that old pre is values is having some float 64, but here it is given float 64, but mostly it is integer values only. Some is some most 1.0 is an integer value, 0.0 is an so it is having combination of both only, so it's like float 64. Then if we are checking is it is having any null values, and then we are declaring our x variable and also the y variable. The x variable, we are just choosing all the variables apart from this target variable, because this target variable only we are going to select as a y variable or the classification variable or the prediction variable. Then by using this x and y variables, we are going to declare the four different variables like x train, x test, y train, and y test by declaring a test size of 20%, that is 0.2, in which 20% is made taken for train testing, and the remaining 80% will be automatically considered for training. And then since we are going to make an XAI representation in with line, we are moving importing the line variable libraries which we are needed, and also we are creating an explainer variable by which we are going to make an XAI pictorial representation. And apart from that, we are also declaring the libraries for accuracy score, performance metrics parameters like accuracy classification report, and also the confusion matrix. And then initially in this code we are going to work with the random forest algorithm. I'm saying in this code because with the same data set we are also going to work with some other different machine learning algorithms, and in the final we will just confirm that which machine learning algorithm has provide better results. So in this work we are going to first work with the random forest. For that we are just importing the random forest library, and then we are calling our random forest classifier, and then training our model by using the dot fit function. And for training we are using the variables like x train and y train, and then we are declaring the x test testing or a data set by using the dot predict function, and then we are declaring the accuracy score and calling the confusion matrix of the data set, and then we are printing the classification report for the different variables like precision, recall, f1 score, and support. Here you can see mostly we are getting a value of 1.00, that is 100. So this random forest is providing better results for accurate results with this hard data set. And then after that we are just calling the line declaration. In that we are declaring intercept, prediction, local, etc. And then we are calling this line variables, that is line graph. Here you can see it is having nearly 6 features. So if you want to say change the features means, here you can change like number of features. So if you are changing means, or automatically it may change, you can increase and decrease as per your wish. And then we can just give as 8, and we are running it. This j also we can just change. 15 is here, we can also change as 10, 5, and all. Then we are just changing this, running this also. So in this case you can just see that we gave 8 features now, so now we will get 8 features. Initially it was having only 6 features, so based on that we can change the features. Here also we will get nearly 6 features. So now if you run means, because we changed the 6 features to 8 now, so now we run means we will get the values for 8 features. So this is the line representation for, and also random forest code for heart disease classification. In the next video with the same code, we can work with some other different machine learning algorithms with. Thank you.